Greetings friends, hello, hey you, how you doing? Welcome to my channel and welcome to another video. My name's Brittany. If you've never been here before, I would love it if you would join the Brat Pack by subscribing and ringing that bell. I put out new videos every week, both beauty and true crime related. Today you're getting a beauty video, and I'd love to hang out with you, specifically you. So please join us. One of us, one of us, one of us. So as I just said, today I thought I'd take a break from all of the death and the doom and the gloom, because I'm from Los Angeles and the world's on fire. How about yours? That's the way I like it and I never get bored. Okay, I just needed something to put me in a better mood, and randomly today I received a package at my door that I wasn't even expecting. I don't think I even got an email saying this was on the way. I was expecting this to take a while to get here, but all of a sudden, knock knock, my door, there's a knocking, my dog goes a-barking, and I open the door and I get this wonderful surprise. It's my FabFitFun box for fall. I was not expecting this at all. I'm so excited. What? If you don't know what FabFitFun is, it is a seasonal subscription service. It is a seasonal subscription service where each season they take $50 from your account and they send you a box filled with products that are curated for that season. So this is going to be fall, which means it's going to be one of my favorites because I'm a fall ass bitch and I'm really excited to get into this box with you. So I will put all the information on FabFitFun down below in case you are curious about it and you want to sign up. There will be a link. I don't know if I get anything for it. I've never looked into it. It's been years. But if you want to sign up, it's down below. And if you are just here for spoilers, which I suspect that you are, let's get into said spoilers right now. I'm so excited. It's like Christmas, but in September. And the Christmas lights are replaced with burning trees all over the West Coast. Okay, so we got the magazine. In here it'll tell me the prices and what the items are in case there's any confusion. So I will be consulting this little bad boy throughout this video. And products. Let's go. So the first item in the box is from the brand The Beauty Crop. It retails for $19.50 and it is their Glow Milk. I just looked into the book to consult it for this information, and it is a liquid highlighter. So let's give it an open. I love the packaging. I think that's so cute since it's supposed to be, you know, like milk, and it's in like a tiny little milk carton looking thing. So let's go ahead and open her up and see what it looks like. It's a liquid highlight, as I just said, and this is a vegan and cruelty-free item in case that is important to you like it is important to me. Open up, bro. Ah, yes, and it's just a tiny little liquid highlight. It'd be cool if this was in kind of like an old school looking milk bottle, sort of like what's there, but it's just a dropper formula. It says it's made with nourishing coconut milk. Let's give it a swatch on the hand so you can see what it looks like. Ooh, that is rose gold. Pretty, pretty. I have been more into liquid highlights lately, as I'm a 31-year-old lady. It just looks better on my skin, and that's the shade right there. It might be a little deep, but that could be pretty as like a little blush topper like I got going on today. Cute. It retails for $19.50. I love starting out with makeup. I like FabFitFun because it gives you things other than makeup, because I have BoxyCharm for makeup and skincare specific items. But I love getting BoxyCharm because it is like makeup and skincare specific. FabFitFun has more lifestyle stuff in, which I love, but I do also like getting makeup in it because first and foremost, I'm a makeup ass bitch. This next item is from the brand Daniel Stone, which I've never heard of, and it is a room spray, and it is in the scent pumpkin spice. It doesn't say it on the bottle, but it does say it in the... Does it say it on the bottle? Either way, this is a room spray in the pumpkin spice scent. Let's smell it real quick. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. If you know me at all, if you follow me on Instagram, you would see I am a room fragrance ass bitch. I have somewhere in the area of 20 White Barn Bath & Body Works candles right now. It's excessive, I know, but I have 3 animals and I don't want my house to smell like my dog and his little corn chip feet. So these kinds of things make me very happy. What does that smell like? Let me spray it on some paper. This is the paper that came in the box. Ooh, yeah, that smells good. It doesn't smell like pumpkin spice. It said it was a pumpkin spice scent in the magazine, but it smells really nice, and I can't wait to spray it everywhere. All over my couches, all over the air. I buy the Bath & Body Works sprays. I'm into this, so I'm really excited, and this retails for $36. And I just realized that I'm an idiot, and it is not the pumpkin spice scent. It is the Santal Noir scent, which, if you were curious as to what the notes are, it's sandalwood and cardamom, which smells just fine by me, buddy. So the next item is from the brand 8 Other Reasons. It retails for a whopping $32, and it is their Runway Clip Trio. So it's just these little clips that you put in your hair, which, you know, I do use these all the time because I'm trying to change my part. I don't know if you can tell, so I clip my hair back every day. I just took them out to start filming. Now this could be a cute way to do it without looking ridiculous. Let me see. 32 bucks is more than I'd ever spend on an item like this, I gotta be honest. But it's cool to get it. I really like this pink one. I wanna use this pink one. See, I just go like this, put my little bangs back. So pretty, love it. I'm gonna take it out for the rest of the video, but I do like these and I'm glad to have them, especially since I would never buy them. They're really pretty. I don't know if you'll be able to tell on camera because my autofocus sucks my dick, but it's like a marble effect. Really like this, very happy to have it. Ooh, I'm excited. I'm gonna put them in as soon as I'm done filming to hold these stupid baby hairs back. So the next item in the box is a skincare product that retails for $65. It is from Dr. Dennis Gross, and it is their Alpha Beta Pore Perfecting and Refining Serum. It helps with issues with pores, enlarged and clogged pores with excessive oil. That sounds right up my alley. Please be cruelty-free. Cruelty-free and vegan. I appreciate that. I am a big serum person. Again, if you follow me on Instagram, which it is BRATTERSTEIN if you want to, I have a little thing on my counter filled with serums, and I just realized I'm only supposed to use two per application, so like 2 in the morning, 2 at night. I have been over seruming because I want nice beautiful skin because I don't wear foundation, so this is like what we got going on, and I've worked hard to get it this way. So I'm very excited about this because pores, I have that nose. You know the pore nose. I have the pore nose. It's unfortunate, but I'm excited to give this a shot, especially since it's 65 bucks. That makes me think it's gonna work well. So if you want updates again, Instagram, BRATTERSTEIN, $65. Moving on. So the next thing in the box retails for $20. It's from the brand Petty in a Box. It smells, I can smell it through, oh, no. It's Vosh, New York. It is a Petty in a Box. It's a 4 deluxe step pumpkin spice scented pedicure kit. I can smell it through the box. I want to open it and see what's in it. I've never heard of this brand before. It's made in Korea. Fancy. Oh, and it's got, what are these things? It's got a, okay, so it's a pumpkin spice salt soak, sugar scrub, mud mask, and then massage butter, all for your feet. How fancy. Yeah, I shall use this. My feet feel pretty good right now. I've been using this mask at night because I'm extra to keep them soft. I will gladly use this. It is, again, vegan and cruelty free. I love that they put a lot of those items in there so that it can cater to everybody. But I'm happy to use it. Let me know if you've tried it. $20. Pamper yourself. Treat yourself. Self-care is important, especially right now when our mental health is suffering. So the next item in the box retails for $16.95. It is from Frank Body, and it is their coffee scrub for in the shower. It's funny, I actually just bought this for somebody for Christmas. I start shopping for Christmas very early because I don't like the stress all in December. So I just bought one of these for somebody. I'm not going to say in case she watches this, but I've never used it myself, and I thought she would like it. I'm excited to try it because I just ran out of, wait, did I run out? No, I just opened a new body scrub, but I will open this one as well and spread it all over myself. I love the idea of smelling entirely like coffee. So that is exciting, and I'm, you know, excited to use this. I like self-care items. I don't know what else to say. It's a coffee body scrub. I'm sure I'll smell delicious. It's vegan and cruelty free. It says so on the bag. And I'm excited to try it. So let me know if you've tried it. I know this is a popular item, so you probably have, and you can tell me if I'm gonna be in love. I hope I am in love, because I'm sure I'm gonna upload this before I get a chance to use that, so let me know. So the next thing in the box retails for $45, and it is from the brand Nectar. These are blue light blocking glasses. I'm pretty sure I got to choose this item. Whoa, that's crazy. Everything looks so, oh, that's weird. I've never tried a pair of these on, but I'm on the computer so much doing school. I'm back in school, editing videos. There's a lot. I'm on the computer a lot, and I was like, maybe I want to try out some of them blue light blocking glasses, and $45 is more than I'd ever spend, and these are pretty cool. I kind of like that. I feel like I would like to use these at night while I'm laying on my phone, because I actually have that thing on my phone where it switches the blue light off so that maybe my brain will turn off and I'll resort back to like the caveman days when we would sit in front of the fire in the darkness, and that's all we saw, so our brains were used to that and associated that with night. But anyways, cool. I'm excited. I don't know if they look good on me. Let me know. I could put my regular glasses on and then put these on top of it, and then I'm gonna look really good while I'm on the computer. Are these my shape? What do you guys think? let me know. I'm excited. Let me know if you've tried some of these too and if you actually feel like it helps with the strain on your eyes, because that is why I bought them. Well, selected them for my box. All right, and the last item is another one that I was able to select, and I'm so excited for it. The next item retails for $100. It's from Decay, New York, and it's just a little backpack, you guys. Like, if I go places, which, I mean, right now I'm not going places, but when I do go places, I don't love carrying a purse. I'm like a fanny pack person, but I want to be a backpack person, so I grabbed this one because I thought it was cute and simple, and it would hold just what I need. It opens up, put your items inside. It's also got front zippies, so I can keep my, like, I don't know, chapstick in it. They're really small, and I just thought that this would be fun, and I would never spend $100 on myself. I had gotten another backpack from FabFitFun. It's like a white one that I got forever ago, and I use that as my, like, beach bag and my pool bag because it's like a canvas material. And now this, and it's black, so it's simple. It would go with everything. I thought that that would be fun, so I chose it. Okay, let me really quickly add up the total retail value of the box this month so that I can let you know just how much FabFitFun is actually worth it. So give me a second. So I just did the math, and the overall retail of the box this month is $334.45, and you pay $50 for it. So I love FabFitFun. Out of all the subscription services that I've tried and gotten, it's one of the only two that I keep. This and BoxyCharm are my two main bitches, and if you were on the fence, I would like to push you over to the side of the fence that gets this box. I know money is weird right now, so I mean, if you don't want to get it, you don't want to get it, and I totally get that, but I think it's worth it, and if you can, I think you should if you want to. And that's the that on that. So with that said, that's everything. That's it. That's this video. Please make sure to join the Brat Pack by subscribing and clicking the bell so that you can be here for my future videos. I put out a true crime video every Monday where I do my makeup while I talk true crime. Get ready with me, but with murder. We call it morbid makeup. I'd love to have you here to watch that, and occasionally I throw in these unboxings. I do this each season. I do BoxyCharm each month, so if that's something you're into, I would like to hang out. And that's it. Thanks for being here when you could literally be anywhere else on the internet. You're tight, this is tight, and I hope to see you in my next video.